Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial on a smartphone application. Today we're going to be looking at Rewardable TV. Right now I'm on my withdrawal history, and as you guys can see, I just cashed out today $10, and I've done plenty more where that's come from. Now let's go ahead and take a look at how to download this. Just go to the Play Store, type in Rewardable TV, download it right here. You're good to go. Once you open it up, create an account. You don't need multiple accounts, just use one. And if you got multiple devices, just log into that same account. And once you get in here, you're going to see at the top right hand corner there's a little acorn symbol. These are called acorns. Every 1,000 is going to be $1. So we're sitting at about $3.63. So we're going to want to bank on that until we get to $10, and then we'll be able to do another cash out to PayPal. As you guys want to earn points, well, it already started up on me. This is a very passive app, and it will just start up on its own. So let's go back. Typically I'll pick like trending trailers or daily dozen, and they'll just run their videos, and they'll just keep running, and it'll run throughout the night while you're sleeping. Very easy app to use. There's some offers here that you guys can complete if you wanted to. I personally haven't done them myself, but they're there. Going through these icons, the first screen I was on was under this account information icon. I'm not going to click on it because I don't want to display any of my personal information. But that's how I got to my withdrawal history, and that's how you do your cash outs too as well. This icon here to the left, this is going to show how many points you've earned each day. Not a ton of points, but it'll all add up in the end. It's one of these apps that you can stack on with your other apps. This one right here is for your referrals. If you want to do some referring, you'll get 10% bonus of their earnings for 20 days. I haven't done any of this, but it's there if you want to do it. This TV icon is just more shortcuts to some videos that you guys can watch. But right when you launch the application, it will start up itself if you don't do anything, or you can pick like trending trailers or daily dozen, but it will start up on its own if you don't do anything. They do also have a website. I have it pulled up here at the bottom. Let's go ahead and take a look. Once you log in, go ahead and click on this watch, and it'll bring you to this screen here, and you could pick one of these featured videos or any other videos here. I usually just click on the featured, and it's going to do its thing. You guys will stack up more acorns this way. I personally run it on about 3 devices, Windows devices, and I'll run the phones on a couple to no more than like 7 devices. I think they used to have a 7 device limit, and now there's like some kind of confusion whether it's 1 device or 7 devices, but I've really had no problems, and I haven't heard of anybody else having problems. But yeah, this app's been around for a little bit. It does still pay. It used to pay a little bit more than it does now, but it does still pay. And it's one of those apps that you could use and not have to do that much and just make a little bit of extra money. So that's going to do it for the video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. I'll be making a lot more tutorials like this. And I will see you on the next one. Take it easy.